Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To delete messages on iPhone or Android phones, open the Facebook Messenger app. Locate the conversation in the list of chats. Long press it. Then, select Delete. This will remove the entire conversation. To delete messages we've sent or received on Facebook Messenger, long press the message. And you'll see the reactions. Choose More from the bottom right menu. Select Unsend and choose For Everyone. If you want to delete the message for all users, select Unsend for Everyone. If it's just for you, then choose Unsend for You. So that's how Facebook Messenger messages can be removed. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.